how to get free text-to-speech with Python. Step 1. Install the text-to-speech module by running pip install gtts. Step 2. Open up your favorite text editor. Step 3. Type in the code you see here. How it works. We send the text we want converted and the language. Then we receive the MP3. These are the languages we can use. This statement lets us use the text-to-speech module. This statement gets us the MP3. This statement saves the MP3 to our drive. Step 4. Run the program. Type Python, followed by whatever you named the program. Step 5. Play the MP3 file.
This is a phrase.
To learn more about GTTS, go to this website. That's it. Hope this helped you. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks.